Hello everyone, I bring greetings to you from South Africa, a blissful space where we talk anything and everything about women's health. Welcome to Blessed Blissful Broadcast. We have all heard that food is medicine, but can changing your diet help you with endometriosis? Let's explore. So, when you have endometriosis, the cells which are very similar to the cells from your endometrium, which is the lining inside the uterus, they grow on other parts of your reproductive system or in the lower abdomen. These cells may be stuck to your bladder, your fallopian tubes, the ovaries, or these surrounding organs. Now, these cells shed and bleed during your periods, like the lining of your uterus, but this blood has nowhere to go. It gets trapped inside, causing pain, inflammation, scarring, and adhesions, which means now the tissues also get stuck to each other. This leads to endometriosis symptoms like painful heavy periods, chronic pain in the lower abdomen, back pain, painful intercourse, fatigue, digestive problems, and in some cases, infertility also. The cause of endometriosis is unknown, and there is currently no permanent cure. Endometriosis is an estrogen-dependent condition. Given that endometriosis is often associated with increased pain and inflammation, having a diet with a high ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fats in your diet may be very beneficial. Many studies have shown that increasing your intake of omega-3 fats, which are anti-inflammatory fats found in many fatty fish and many other animal and plant sources, can not only reduce the pain, but can also help in the regression of the disease. On the other hand, omega-6 fats, they promote pain and inflammation. The sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fish and other seafood, especially cold water fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, and sardines. Nuts and seeds such as flax seeds, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, as well as plant oils like flaxseed oil, soybean oil, and canola oil, are also good sources. Seaweed and algae are also good sources of omega-3 fatty acids.
Cut down on red meat, especially the processed kind. Red meat is inflammatory, and it increases the estrogen levels in the body, making the symptoms of endometriosis worse. Since endometriosis is an estrogen-dependent disease, higher levels of estrogen in the blood will increase the risk. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains contain vitamins, minerals, and lots of fiber. A high fiber intake can lower estrogen levels, which could help in managing endometriosis. They're also rich in antioxidants and are alkaline in nature. Most of the scientific studies suggest that taking an alkaline plant-based diet rich in antioxidants can help. Limit alcohol and caffeine. While we do not have clear scientific recommendations as to how this works, many people report that going alcohol and caffeine-free helps in their symptoms. Avoid trans fats as well. Avoid diets high in trans fats. Trans fats are inflammatory and can increase the endometriosis pain and symptoms, so avoid highly processed and fast foods, bakery products. Now, they may look very simple and humble. Biscuits, fan rust, cakes, fried foods, fried savory mixtures. Reheated oil is another concern. Small amounts of trans fats are formed when the same cooking oil is used for repeated frying. It is not only at commercial outlets, but even at household levels. Try to avoid these as much as possible. Consider a gluten-free diet. We all know what gluten is. Gluten is a protein which is naturally found in some grains like wheat, barley, and rye. It acts like a binder, holds the food together, and gives that stretchy feel to the dough. A gluten-rich diet can cause an increased inflammatory response, leading to worsened endometriotic symptoms. So, breads, pastas, cereals, beer, soap, certain gravies, Indian foods like parathas, pav bhaji, kachori, dalpati churma, pois are all gluten-rich. See if avoiding this helps you. According to many studies, those who adopted a gluten-free diet experienced significant reductions in pelvic pain in endometriosis. Now, let's move on to a low FODMAP diet. What is a low FODMAP diet? FODMAP is an acronym which stands for fermentable oligo, monosaccharides, and polyols. The FODMAP-free diet was designed to relieve intestinal symptoms in people with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. For those with IBS, gut bacteria ferments these FODMAPs, resulting in the production of gas which can cause pain and discomfort. A low FODMAP diet may also be beneficial for people with endometriosis. So what are examples of FODMAPs? Dairy-based products like milk, yogurt, ice cream, wheat-based products such as cereals, breads, crackers, certain beans and lentils, some vegetables like artichokes, asparagus, onions, and garlic. These are all examples of FODMAPs. Consider trying these dietary adjustments.
In addition to eating a healthy diet, a few supplements may also be beneficial. Results have shown a reduction in chronic pelvic pain, decrease in oxidative stress, and a decrease in inflammation. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, they all help. Curcumin. Now this is the anti-inflammatory component of the well-known, our own Indian spice, turmeric. Healthy. So one scientific study found that curcumin inhibited the endometrial cells by reducing the estrogen. Does exercise help in endometriosis? Yes, very much. Exercise can reduce estrogen levels and release feel-good hormones. So follow any exercise regime which makes you feel happy. Alternative treatments may also be Alternative treatments can be very helpful for women with endometriosis. For example, relaxation techniques can be beneficial. Meditation, finance, yoga, acupuncture, massage, anything which helps you with your pain. Endometriosis is a complex problem requiring multiple treatment approaches. In addition to medical treatments, following a healthy diet and a good exercise regime can be very beneficial. But be careful, following some restrictive diets like gluten and FODMAP-free diet can put you at the risk of nutritional deficiencies. So consult a dietitian to plan your diets. Keep a food journal and pay attention to how your body reacts when you eat certain foods. Do not ever leave your medical treatment and follow your doctor's advice always. So today, like always, if you found this information useful, do not forget to share, subscribe, and like this video, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.